My name is Gloria.
My name's Dan.
And this is our little dog Patchy, and we're here from Las Vegas, Nevada. We had listed our RV in the our Simba. It's a 2007 Simba.
15,000 miles.
With 15,000 miles. We listed in the RV registry, and I received an email from someone who was interested in buying it. So it came to be that I ended up talking to this gentleman on the phone, and he said he would come out and take a look at it because he was very interested in it. So we said, okay. Well, just before he was supposed to come out, he had called and asked if we had known anything about the recall or the service bulletin that was issued. And I said, no, we never heard anything.
No,
never got any calls, never received any mail or anything. So he explained it to me, which of course I didn't understand what he was saying. So he gave me the site to go on, which is Source Engineering up in Coburg, Oregon. So I went on the site and took a look at it, and I saw all these testimonials from people. So then I proceeded to call Monaco directly, talk to a serviceman or somebody in Indiana who said, well, there was a problem with some trailing arms, but not a lot of them. Just it was kind of a hit or miss thing, and if you were on the open road a lot, where there was a lot of bumps and rough road and everything, there might be a problem, but it's been so few and far between. He said I wouldn't really worry about it. So with that, I called Jim up here in Source Engineering, and he had explained to me that there's more than just a few problems. There's maybe thousands of them that have occurred and broken, actually, while people were driving them. So I proceeded to call the fella back that was going to buy the RV, which of course he wasn't going to come and look at it. And I said, I knew nothing about the problem at all. I said, but I'm definitely going to get it fixed. Whether or not you buy it or not, I am not going to even want to drive it with this particular problem going on. Yeah. So I contacted Jim, who was very, very informative about everything. And as it turned out, there was nobody in the Las Vegas area that we knew of or really trusted that could fix this problem. I had asked him if he fixes it. He says, oh yeah, he does it all the time. It takes him about 6 hours to fix the problem. And he said that the cost of the arms would be about $1,800 plus labor. So I talked to my husband Dan, and he said, yeah, let's just take a ride up to Oregon. We'd feel better having it done the right way, and knowing that it's just the right way. Anyway, we just thought it'd be best if we came up here, and which we did, and we are up here now. They have just pulled off the first
one of the arms off,
and it started cracking.
There's a hairline crack in it already.
So we have been lucky, and it's a blessing that this fella had originally contacted us and wanted to buy the unit and still could possibly buy the unit, that he let us know, because we had no knowledge of this. No recall information, nothing from Monaco, no service bulletins. We had,
we were sitting in the blind.
Yeah, the vehicle's been running fine. We've had no problems with it at all. So and even if something had happened when we were on the highway, we wouldn't know what it was. We wouldn't even think about it. We could have been not here talking to you today. So we're really grateful for Jim. We're grateful for the guy who wanted to buy our unit that found this problem out for us.
This is the train we just took off Dan and Gloria's coach. It only had 15,000 miles on it, and they came up from Las Vegas, and to be honest, it's a good thing they did. We went ahead and took the arm off, and after we got the bottom clamp plate off, sure enough, it's broke right through here. So it's really a good thing they came up, and we were able to do this for them today, because it could have turned into be a completely different scenario. If you have any questions about any of your chassis or suspension needs, give us a call.